Okay, so let's imagine that the price of the tomato again at 2,500. That's the open price. O. Okay. And then a lot of persons thought they were going to sell at 2,500, perhaps because the previous day, the close price was 2,500. Of course, you go home thinking that you're going to continue that price. That's normal business. But for some reason, nobody came to the market. And when you leave tomato in the market for so long, it begins to rot, and you don't want to make losses as a result of wastage. Okay. So they started auctioning because nobody was willing to buy at 2,500. And then the price dropped. 2,000. A few persons were willing to buy. 1,800. A few persons were willing to buy. 1,500. Everybody was interested in buying at the time, and then the market closed at 1,500. So the price in which the market opened was actually greater than the price in which the market closed. We call this a bearish market. So for that day, we can say that the price of tomato was bearish. Every forex trader would understand that immediately. What that means is that the price went from up to down. It went down. It didn't go up. It went from 2,500 to 1,500. This remains the body of the candle. Now let's imagine that for some reason, a few persons came at the early hours of the morning, and because they were anticipating opening the market with 2005, some tried and see if the buyers were going to buy at a higher price. And so perhaps the market went up. Some persons bought at 2,700. That's not obtainable in Nigerian market. Well, the question is not whether it's obtainable in Nigerian market or not. We are looking at the principle of the candlestick formation, how candlesticks are formed. So whether it's obtainable in Nigerian markets or not, that's not really the question. Okay? If you put this understanding into your chart, you see the same thing. Okay? And really, the price of everything fluctuates, whether Nigerian market or no Nigerian market, because prices are actually governed by the forces of demand and supply anywhere in the world, even in the worst countries. Okay? So this price can be anything. It can be the price of gold, it can be the price of silver, it can be the price of euro, US dollar. The important thing is open and close. It doesn't matter which market we're talking about. The market is not the problem. Okay? Okay, anything that goes up doesn't come down. oh well. That's on the lighter note. All right, so 1,500. So the price closed there. So let's imagine some persons bought it at 2,005. Yeah, it keeps floating. Yeah, still rising. Yeah, some market anyway. Some market. So 2,700. Some persons bought it at 2,700. So we can say this is the high. Okay. And then perhaps when the market closed, before the market closed, it got to 1,200. So we say this is the low. Okay, this is the open. So the open is 1,005 and the close is 2,005. So it went as low as 1002, went as high as 2007, opened, sorry. This opened, this is the open, 2005 is the open. Opened at 2005 and closed at 1002.
Hello, sir. The market
Okay.
opened at 2005.
Yes. And closed at this price. Okay. So it went as high as 2007, opened at 2005, closed at 1005, and went as low as 1002. That is the market, the candlestick. Yeah, everyone is following. That's good. That's good. I'm happy everyone is following. All right. So we've actually formed a bullish candlestick pattern and a bearish candlestick pattern. So at this point, if you don't have an account with M Trading, I will encourage you to do so. Now, when you open an account with M Trading, please download the MetaTrader. Let me share my screen with you so that I can teach you how to do that. Hold on. Because next week, when we are having classes like this, it will be important for everyone to have MT4 in their system. Okay, at the very least in their phone, but I wouldn't encourage anyone to use the phone. Okay, so when you go to mtrading.com, sign up through the person who referred you here. It makes things more easier for you, okay, and makes access to me also easier. But if the person who referred you here actually talks to me, if you have issues, it will be easier for me to just respond. Okay, so all you just need to do is go to trading platform, click on MetaTrader 4, the first one. Okay, I believe you can see it. Scroll down, then you click download MT4 right now. So once you've downloaded it, you install it on your system. Open a demo account. All right, open a demo account. How do you do that? Hold on 1 second. So you can open a demo account. When you come to account section, you can see dashboard, account, transaction partner, special offer and investment. Okay. You click on open new demo account. Just here. It's free. You're not charged. All right. Once you open the demo account, you click on demo, premium, premium or pro, whatever you like, leverage, whatever you want to choose, you choose it, accept, and then you click open new demo account. A demo account has been opened to you already. When you click on more, click on show password, you see the password for the demo account right here. Okay, you copy this password. First, you copy the login, go to your MetaTrader 4, click on it, click on login, click on password, and that's all. Or you click on trade now here, and it's open. It will open right on the platform. Okay. So once you have that, you can see candlesticks. You can see everything we've talked about today. The candlesticks, the margin level, the free margin, the balance, the equity, and what's not. All right. Does anyone have a question at the moment?
Yeah, I have a question. Why wouldn't you recommend using a mobile phone, a smartphone?
Okay, smartphone. Okay, see how I use smartphone to trade, but you need to do your analysis on the laptop. Do you understand? You see things clearer.
Okay.
You see things clearer. Okay, you see things clearer when you
Okay.
use a mobile phone or a laptop. In fact, I must tell you, even I find it difficult to use a laptop. Okay, I use bigger screens. Okay, because you want to
Okay.
you want to see every detail in the on the chart. Then once you've done your analysis, you know where you want to buy and where you want to sell. You know the price already. Okay, you have the information at your fingertips. Then you can take your phone and place the trade or monitor the trade. Maybe you went out, you're out of your trader's room, or you don't have access to your laptop at the moment. You can monitor your trade as you walk around. Of course, if you're on the road, you cannot open your laptop. You can just look at monitor your trades with your phone. So I recommend you using your mobile phone to monitor your trade, but using your laptop to do your analysis. Okay, unless you're receiving signals. Okay, if you're receiving signals, okay, you could just take whatever signals you're giving, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, like that. But if you have a laptop, I think that's better. It makes you more serious. Any other question, please? It's 8 o'clock already, 8:06. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. I appreciate you. Thank you for being on my team. I believe you've learned a lot from the 4 days foundation course.
Yes, sir.
Do I have any feedback? We
I have a
appreciate
question, sir.
feedbacks. Please go ahead.
Sir, I want to know, is it possible that after choosing your leverage that you can correct it
That you can do what?
as you can choose another one?
Sure, you can. All you just need to
Is
do,
it possible that you can
yes, you can. You can change your leverage after you've closed all your position. Okay. So if you've chosen 1,000 1 to 1,000 leverage at first, you can decide to change the leverage to 500 after closing all your positions. Does that answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. Great.
But sir, what is the best leverage to use?
There is no best leverage to use. It all depends on your account size and your risk management skill. But if you are starting out, just use maximum of 1 to 500 if you're new.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. David, Mr. Moses, Mr. Ozioma, Mr. Steven, Mr. Divine, Mr. Friday, Benaya family, Benjamin, um, Chibuzo, Chris, Shimobi, Esther Okafo. Thank you all. You were all present for the order and engineer Chinedu. Thank you all, guys. Next week, hopefully, you'll get the mail. Should we do it next week or next 2 weeks? Let me hear from you. Should we do the beginners course next week or next 2 weeks? What do you think?
I'll prefer next week for continuity.
For continuity, right? Next week.
Yes.
Okay, great. Next week. Next week. Great.
So,
Next week.
hope it's same time.
Let's
Hope
Yeah,
same
same
time,
time.
right?
Same time. Same time.
Sorry, my connectivity was poor today, so
Oh, so
I hope
sorry.
you send the video too.
Yeah, I will. Just send me a
I
mail.
missed so much.
Oh, sorry. Send me a
Thank
mail.
you.
Uh, so next week. So let's do this again next week. I'll send the new link to you guys next week. I'll send it to your email. If you can connect to me with me too on WhatsApp or via email, please do so that I can drop it there. If you don't have an account with M Trading, please ensure to sign up with M Trading. So that we can do this again next week. All right. So for those who asked about
Yeah.
investment, I answered the question earlier. If you cannot trade now, if you don't have enough time now, and you want to invest, you can invest with one of our money managers online and get about 10% monthly. All right, conservatively. All right, guys, thank you very much. So please review all we have discussed, study them again
Thank you, sir.
so that it becomes part of you. next week is going to be harder. Next week will be harder than this week because I will be assuming that you've learned all the things we discussed. Okay. So hopefully you'll be on my team again next week. Thank you guys. Do have a wonderful weekend and enjoy your time with your family and loved ones. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yo, thank you.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah. We'll talk later.
Yeah, sure.